Can we find God in the ordinary? Pwede ba natin matagpuan ang Diyos sa mga ordinaryo at simpleng bagay at karanasan? Blessed Sunday po sa ating lahat, Father Xavier Valbuena para sa dasal at pagninilay, and welcome to our Sunday Gospel Reflection. And today is the third Sunday of the season of Easter. At madalas na katanungan, saan ba natin matatagpuan ang Diyos? Or shall I say, sa mga extraordinary na events and experiences lamang natin siya pwedeng matagpuan? O sa mga spiritual na gawain lang? Or can we also discover, meet, and encounter God even in the ordinary, even in the simple things and events of life? At alam niyo po, ang kasagutan niyan ay matatagpuan natin sa ating ebanghelyo. It's the experience of the apostles. At alam niyo, after the death of Jesus, yung mga alagad, bumalik sila sa kanilang old way of lifestyle. And that is fishing. Bumalik po sila sa kanilang ordinaryo at simpleng ginagawa araw-araw bilang mangingisda. And it is where they discovered, it is where they met and encountered Jesus, our risen Lord. Kaya nga sa ating ebanghelyo, saan ba nila natagpuan at nakilala si Jesus? Sa kanilang pangingisda. A very ordinary and simple and usual thing they do because that is what they do in life. They were fishermen. Kumbaga, yung pangingisda, napaka-ordinaryo yon, napaka-usual yon. And yet, it is where they met the Lord. It is where they encountered the risen Lord. And it is where they recognize the presence of the risen Lord. Not in the extraordinary, hindi yung mga kababalaghan na nangyari, kundi sa kanilang ordinaryong ginagawa bilang mangingisda. And this is to remind us, alam nyo, ang common conception kasi natin, that we can only discover and encounter or meet the Lord in extraordinary events. Like for example, may mga miracles or apparitions like in Lanciano or Lourdes or Fatima. Well, of course, yes. These events are encounters with the Lord. Or, yung sinasabi ng iba, na matatagpuan lang natin, pwede lang natin ma-encounter ang Diyos sa mga spiritual na ginagawa natin like attending the Mass, we are doing the Holy Adoration before the Blessed Sacrament, we read the Bible in prayer meetings, yes. But now we are also given another way of encountering the Lord, and that is, let us go back to the ordinary. Let us go back to the simple. Kumbaga, yung mga karaniwang pangyayari, bagay, karanasan sa pang-araw-araw nating buhay, pwede rin po nating matagpuan ng ating Panginoon na muling nabuhay. Like for example, yung ngiti ng mga taong nakakasalubong mo, nasa jeep, lalong-lalo na yung ngiti ng mga kapamilya mo, kaibigan mo, the simple smile is where you encounter the Lord. The food that we partake of. Kaya nga sa ating ebanghelyo, they also recognize the Lord in the breaking of the bread, in the breakfast, kumbaga, no? In the meal. So in our shared and common meal, with our stories, our laughters, our sharings of memories na katatawanan, mga kwento ng ating samahan, doon din natin makikilala at ma-encounter ang Panginoon. In our daily and ordinary things that we do, like for example, traffic, going to work, going to school, attending meetings, conferences, doing our daily chores at home, we can also encounter God in these daily and ordinary experiences. Even in our daily struggles, we can also encounter the Lord. Ang paanyaya lang sa atin is that we open our eyes of faith so that even in the ordinary, even in the simple events and experiences of life, we can meet and encounter the Lord. Kaya ang tanong, can you meet and encounter the Lord even in the ordinary and simple events of life? Of course. We only have to see and discover Him in all of these events and experiences. Kumbaga, kahit saan po kayo magpunta at kahit ano pa yung nangyayari, you can still encounter and meet the Lord. Kaya mga minamahal kong kapatid, napakaganda ang reminder sa ating ebanghelyo ngayong linggong ito. Meet and encounter the Lord even in the ordinary, even in the simple things, events, and experiences of life. Muli po, Father Xavier Valbuena para sa dasal at pagninilay, and keep supporting our YouTube channel. At sana po, keep watching our videos and you can share them to your family and friends. God bless you all, and together we inspire.